Hey everyone, today I'm working in a restaurant out in Middlefield. We're doing their tile. It's been a minute since it's been done, but I'll show you kind of what we're working on today. Doesn't look too bad, right? But wait till you see the afters, because you see all this stuff inside the holes. This is like a travertine kind of tile almost. Has all the little nooks and crannies, and needs a lot of brush action to remove it. So we're kind of running into a lot of gooped up stuff. You know, being in restaurants, you'll get grease and things in there, but also gum from the traffic of people. So we'll work on all that. Another interesting thing I notice in restaurants and other places, retail places, is we sort of run into this at times. We got this pre-sprayed right now, but there's these little mats that go over where the cash registers are, and what happens is that rubber starts to deteriorate, and it almost becomes like a glue and sticks to the tile, and it's really difficult to get out. I mean, it's some of the hardest stuff to get out of tile, but we can make it happen. But you can see here, and then as we go down here, there's some more, but we got that pre-spray. We're gonna hit this last, and hopefully it'll come out. So, alrighty. Well, I think that's it for right now. I'll be back in a few to show you the after effects here. I think you'll be pretty impressed. I mean, tile is a very satisfying thing to clean, and we typically have good results. So, all right, see you in a bit. Holy cow, look at this. You can see where we haven't done. Woo, look. Here, let's turn the light on it. Look how nice. Dirty. Clean. I don't know if you could see the difference from there to there. Hey, check out the progress we're making. See, this is where we haven't done yet. Hopefully you can see all that. Soiled, clean. spreading the sealer down. This will help protect it from the elements. You definitely need that when you're trying to run a restaurant and keep your floors clean. But look at all that. That's what we've done so far. Looks like brand new tile. Holy moly, we're done. Sealer's put down. It's doing its thing. You can see where the sealer has been drying up. Look at that. You don't have all that black stuff stuck in there. It's clean. Super, super clean. All right. Take care, everybody.